You in? You out? You out? You in? What do you want?
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ernest Mampana and welcome back to the Traders. Today is the 6th of December, Sunday the 6th of December, and it's my birthday. Cheers to 28 years of life. Now, on today's video, I just want to show you on how to open a demo account. Without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it and I did.
We're getting money, don't care about what they on.
Before we go any further with this video, just know that you can use any broker that you want to use. Remember, I posted a video, my previous video, I was talking about how to choose a broker. So you can easily choose your own broker, not the broker that I'm using. But if you are willing to use the broker that I'm using, then you can check the link in the description, because this is the broker that I'm going to show you step by step on how to open a demo account, and also how to download a trading platform. Let's jump into the broker. So once you click the link in the description, this is what you're going to see. This is what you're seeing right now on the screen. So you're going to click client login right here. When you click client login, it will take you to a different tab, which is where you can use your username and password to log in. But I believe that if you're a beginner, or if you are someone who have never been introduced to this broker, then not have credentials to log in. However, I'm going to take you on steps on how you can register your own account. So you're going to here and open demo account. Remember, here we want to open a demo account and not a real account. Demo account is simply demonstration on how things are on the platform. So we're going to open demo account. Since we are not logged in, and since we do not have credentials, it will request us to create an account. If you have credentials already, you can click login. But since we do not have credentials, we're simply going to create a new account with the broker. Now once you're done, hit register. Once you're done clicking the register, it will take you up straight to this page. Now what you need to do when you get to this page is to check your demo account registrations, how you go about it. First of all, we are trading using MT4. However, you can still choose C-Trader or MT5 platform. Now on this video, we are simply going to stick to MT4, so we check MT4. Now the type of account is either can be standard or a raw spread. With standard account, they are charging you based on the spread that they are going to apply on the standard account is very higher than the one on raw spread. On raw spread, the spread is lower. However, there are going to be a commission on every trade that you are taking, so you need to be careful on it when choosing this one. And I like to use the raw spread, especially when I'm going to be trading like Nasdaq and also some currency pairs with higher value. So I'm choosing the raw spread because their charges on IC markets, they are very low, and actually the spread is something that you can rely on. So I'm using raw spread for now, and then we are going to select USD account. This is what the account that we are using right now. We're going to select USD. Of course, you can either change to Euro, GBP, and all of those things that are there, CAD, HKD, JPY, NZD, CHF, all of those things. But right now I'm going to choose USD. Now when coming to leverage, what is a leverage? Let's look at what is a leverage. First of all, leverage is the amount that the broker borrows you in order for you to open a trade. So you need to leverage less so that you can at least maintain your capital. As long as you're still a beginner, you need to stay between 1:2 or 1:3, because as a beginner you don't need to be exposed to the higher leverage, and you only need to stick to the lower leverage. Then as time goes on, when you feel confident in the market, that's when you can now take the higher leverage to protect your capital. So in order for you to protect your capital the right way, you're just going to choose 1:300. 1:300. Never go above 1:300 as a beginner. So you choose 1:300. Now, initial deposit. Normally I like to choose the amount that whenever I'm ready to trade live account is the amount that I can afford to deposit in my account. Now, for this instance, with IC market, the initial deposit is $200 on demo account, but on real account sometimes it's $200, but sometimes on I think it depends on the type of account, because with a C Trader and MetaTrader 5, I know they're still up to 200 minimum initial deposit, but with raw spread real account you can get like any account. Like I started with $60 when I was trying the broker, so I started with $60, so which is like it was equivalent to 1,000 rand at that time. So I like to choose the amount that I know that I'm going to afford in order to start as my initial deposit. So you need to choose 200. If you can afford $1,000, you need to choose $1,000. I want this account to feel like it's a real account, even though it's a demo account. I want you to feel like it's a real account. I want you to feel like how it is to be in the market with this certain amount. Don't just you take the huge amount that you know you're never gonna be able to deposit to the market, because once you choose like $100,000, it's very rare for you to deposit $100,000, and then whenever you are ready you're going to deposit $10 or $50, and you're going to get a different feeling of the market. The only thing that you should do is to check the amount that you are going to afford. Now on this case we're just going to choose 200 and click proceed. Voila, we have our demo account opened. If we check our email, we're going to have login details. Now we are not done with the video. Let's go and download a trading platform. A trading platform is a MetaTrader platform where we're actually going to be accessing the market. So we go here, up here where it says trading tools, and you say download. When you get to this screen, you are being offered with different options. If you are on MacBook, you can click Mac and download, and if you are on Windows, you can still leave it like that and click download. On this example, I'm on Windows, so I'm going to click download MT4 for Windows. Now we managed to download the MetaTrader 4. On the next video, I'm going to show you on how to log into the MetaTrader 4 and actually take you through the MetaTrader 4 on the important settings that you need to look at. Thank you so much for choosing this video, and thank you so much for tuning in. It's your boy Ernest Mampana from Traders, where we convert pips into cash. Be on the lookout. The free course is still running. If you want to join the free course, just check the WhatsApp link in the description and we will add you to a free course. It's absolutely free with limited information, of course, but it's absolutely free. If you are a beginner and you want to learn more about the market, then this course is for you. Thank you so much again.
I will never do it. Right now they are watching